What's up guys, this is Yoda Miner and welcome to another episode of my Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.9.5 Survival Episode 7. And I was killed by a monster in my last episode. Yeah. So I'm gonna have my revenge. And I'm gonna kick their butts. Yeah. Oh, a creeper! What the fuck? Oh, but I'm brave. I can kill it. I can kill a creeper. Oh God, no! No, they are so many. Nah. There are so many. I'm just watching. And come here, spider. Come here. If you wanna die, just come here. Oh, yay. Yay. Creeper. Creepers. I hate creepers. Don't explode in my house. Ha 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 ha. In your face. In your face. Oh, wow. Who killed me last time? Hello there. What you doing? Oh, yeah. Come on. Let's have a party in my house. Come on. Let's have a party in my house. Come join me. Where is that? She's afraid. Yes, she's afraid. Oh no! Who the hell is that? You keep on throwing me, bow. You piece of shit. You cannot kill me from that. I am so powerful. Yes, I'm so powerful. This is so boring. At least I have my avenge. So yeah, I think I'm gonna sleep. Away from tomorrow. So this is for, I think this is for the day, guys. And thanks for watching. Whoa, wait. The zombies are burning! Yay! Woohoo! In your face. So yeah. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. And leave a comment.